Ridge Outdoors, you ain't watching nothing good.
I have heard of Hunter Ridge Outdoors. It's one of my favorite YouTube channels.
Thank you, Jesus.
Jeez. Oh man, you don't get no better than that right there.
Alright folks, today is the last hot weather hunt in the rut. Heading back to my boss's place today, being there just a couple minutes. This is where 2 days ago y'all saw the video where I had that decent, real nice 8-pointer come in, and I let him walk because I got one buck tag left, and I really want to wait for the big one. So today I went out there, put some corn, sprayed some white oak happy herd Codal, and checked the camera, and it looked to be a really nice white buck on camera. Definitely way bigger than anything I'd have killed, or bigger than anything I've killed. It was hard to tell, but it pretty much, yeah, you could tell it was a nice white buck. So if we get lucky, maybe he'll show up today and we can be tagged out early. Really would love to enjoy the rut more, but hopefully we got good things coming along. Maybe do some more deer hunting, and I'll let you guys know about that. You may not know what I'm talking about yet at the moment, but stay tuned because you'll find out. But get ready to pull in here. But we're fixing to see what happens. Alright guys. Beautiful leaves, man, I'm telling you. Orange, red leaves. I like to see them fall. And you know what else I like to see fall today? A big buck. It's a heavy wind today. Worst wind possible. But best cover using the code red buck urine. So I'm hoping we get lucky and catch a nice buck. Somewhere in that 40 acres of woods over there. I got a lot of cover right here. So it'll be good. If a deer comes from over there and they make their way this way without seeing me, that'd be good. That's the upside. The downside is it's hard to see. And I've already had 2 little bucks come out there and me not even know it. Once rifle season comes in, I'll be hunting out of the barn where I can see everything. But this will be our bow / muzzleloader stand. We'll just see what happens, y'all. It's warm again. But this will be the last warm day, like I mentioned while I'm driving on the way here. Tomorrow we're not gonna go hunting, but it's gonna be cold and rainy. And I'm getting excited because it's gonna be cold tomorrow. Summer's over with, or summer weather is gonna be over tonight. And the real rut cold weather will be coming here tomorrow. Alright folks, here comes a little buck. A little 8-pointer right there. Alright, that's our first deer, y'all. I'm gonna try something. Let's see if I can get this little buck's attention back around. Oh, you heard that, buddy? He don't care. He's walking away. He's looking back. He says, I don't care. That was Nate. He's just... And there's church bell music going on in the background. How cool is that? Well, I thought I'd do a quick video with this beautiful view behind me and this right here. Look at it, y'all. It's cloudy, it's cold, no rain right now. And yes, it's the next day. Today's Tuesday, and this is the day I told you guys I was planning on not going hunting. Well, I changed my mind, y'all, because the rain pretty much came last night. And, like I said, it's cold. It's going to get even colder this evening. So I thought to myself, you know what? I can't stand it. I'm going to go hunting today, because, I mean, worst thing could happen. Could rain and mess up my muzzleloader, but it's only just 30% chance, so I don't think it's really going to happen. My plan is to be there. The place I'm going to is, of course, where we've been seeing the big bucks all summer long. The 27 acres where got permission to hunt. The downside about this is that we've had a couple trespassers been coming in the land within the past couple days because they shot a deer. And evidently they never recovered it. So definitely unfortunate. The landowner got me to hang some no trespassing signs, even though he lets me hunt and a few others like Jonathan and my dad and cousins and stuff like that. He's not going to let anybody else hunt there. It's just us. He trusts us very well. But he got me to do some of that, and I want to help him out as much as I can. We've become very great friends. Man's awesome. Began to trust each other. But he's just super nice to let us deer hunt over there. And like I said, that's where the big bucks have been at during the summer and stuff. There's a really nice 8-pointer over there. Definitely in the 140-inch class range. But I haven't seen him in about a week, so I'm hoping that he wasn't the one that got shot by those guys that come through looking. So I'm hoping that's not the case, but I'm going to go at it. Like I said, it's perfect. It's cloudy. It's cool. It's not raining. And I need to put that muzzleloader to work, man. It's the pre-rut. They're chasing. I mean, basically, it ought to be the pre-rut. And hey, today's Halloween. They always say Halloween's the magical day. So you can't go wrong by not going on Halloween. So, but like I said, the rut's underway, and we're just getting started. But like I said, y'all have seen a lot of chasing already at my boss's place. And it's just a pre-rut, so they ain't no telling what's going to happen in the next week or two. Like I said, this is the first cold day. Yesterday was warm and hot. But today it's cold, and I'm excited, y'all. But I want to let y'all know, give you a heads up. Plans have changed. We're going hunting. Alright, we're all set up in here. I got here later than I wanted to. I was very careful about the rain because it was barely drizzling, but no rain is good at all for a muzzleloader. Hopefully we have no trespassers up today. So, we got a perfect wind blowing. It's a northeast wind, so it's basically blowing this way. But the thing is, there's a big bend area back that way, right where the wind's blowing to. But with any luck, maybe that cut red buck here and I got hanging on the scent wing right now. Can draw one in from the bend if there's a big buck in there. And today's the magical day. It's Halloween, so maybe it'll pay off, and maybe I'll be happy that I came here today. Maybe we can. Now here we go. Maybe we can smack the big one with the gun today. So we'll see what happens. Oh, and I got this $55. Not bad at all, but it is a all fleece real tree original hoodie. See right here. You really can't see, but you see right here. All that stuff right here, fleece. It's awesome. I've been so excited to try. I could not wait. I finally got it on. It feels real good. It's keeping me warm so far. So, but I think we're ready. So dear y'all. So put that in. Easy, son. That's another deer. That's a little spot if I get on camera. Alright, y'all, it's about 6:50, almost 6:50 in the morning right now. That's because I'm here in the truck. I'm about to hop out and we're gonna go hunting this morning. Here at the place where I went Tuesday evening, where that spike came in and that little fawn, where we get pictures of the big bucks. I had a nice shooter come in, not last night, but the night before, about 11:07. So hopefully they're moving. Hopefully we can see a nice buck in Lord willing, hopefully get a shot on one. So y'all stand by. We're fixing to go hunting in the morning. How are you guys? It's cracking daylight. Finally set up. It's almost 7:30. Not quite shooting light yet. Hopefully the big bucks are moving this morning. I was driving down the road this morning and I saw two deer on the side of the road, like in a field to my right. It's cold, crisp, frosty, perfect morning. We just need one thing. We need the big bucks to be on their feet here around this place. So when it gets to shooting light, we'll start doing a little calling and rattling. Maybe not rattling, but maybe just a little calling and see what happens. So first morning hunt of the deer season for me. So let's see what happens. Well, fortunately, y'all, I'm back at the truck. Only saw one deer the whole morning. Right after shooting light appeared, I had one deer. I don't know if it was a doe or a young buck, but a deer ran from my left down the creek and kind of went behind me. So, like, she was running away from something, it looked like, or if that was the case, it might have been a young buck running after something. So that's the only thing I saw all morning. Other than that, it was squirrels heaven. It was squirrels everywhere. I was hoping it was a deer making a noise through the woods, but it was a daggum squirrels. And then, of course, birds. But unfortunately, it wasn't to be this morning. But hey, this evening, we're going to my boss's place. So it ain't over with yet. Are you guys? It's this evening now, back over here at my boss's place. Last night, there were bucks everywhere on camera, and I'm talking about young, decent, nice bucks. One of them looked real nice, but I couldn't quite tell. I don't think it was bigger than anything I've ever killed, but and this morning, when I was over at that other place, lo and behold, a pretty good buck walked in here, all bristled up, ready to fight this young buck. It came about 9:30. I need to go hunt here in the morning, that's for sure. But unfortunately, it wasn't to be. Hopefully, a true shooter walks out today. That's what I'm hoping for. Like I said, there were bucks all over here last night. So, with any luck, maybe we'll get old Sad Daddy today. There's a doe. Wait for that buck to come behind her. Oh, that's that buck I was looking at, y'all. That's a good buck. Oh my gosh. That's a good buck right there. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I just snort wheezed, y'all. I swear he did. That's the buck I had on camera. He is looking, baby. He just snort wheezed again. He just snort wheezed again. He just snort wheezed at me again. And I just heard him all the way from here. He's a dominant buck. He just snort wheezed back at me. That's twice now. Oh my God, that's a good deer. Holy. He just did it again. Holy crap. Oh my God. He's scraping, look, he's scraping. He's urinating now. He's urinating. Holy crap. Oh my God, look at the body on him. Holy crap. Y'all, that is a pig of a buck. Look at him rubbing. Oh my God. I've never seen anything like that in my life. God, that's... Oh my God, dude. He just snort wheezed again, y'all. That's the fourth time he's... There, he did it again, y'all. If I can get that joker to come, I may just take him, y'all. I swear. Come in the corner. He just snort wheezed again, y'all. Don't come back out right here. Going to the corn. They're looking at something. Here comes more deer. Oh my gosh, a lot of does. A lot of does coming. I guarantee that big buck's gonna be right on them. They're going to the corn. Yep. They're all going out into the field some. So there's 4 out right now, it looks like. Nope. He sees something. I bet it's a buck coming somewhere. There's 5 deer out now. She's looking back. I bet you that buck's coming back. 5 deer. Oh shoot, that one's looking right at me. And that one's urinating. There you go, leave the scent. Oh, there he is again. There he is again. There he is again. just snort wheeze. Oh man, he's right on her tail. Wow. Wow. I've never seen anything like that before in person. I've seen it all on Real Tree Monster Bugs, but that's the closest I've ever come to something like that. I just want to scream right now. Wow. Opening day of most loader season here in our home county, baby. So, most of the places we hunt are here in this county. But my boss's place and that other place where, I guess you say where the big bucks are at, where the kudzu is, that's over in another county where most loader season opened last week. But today we're here at our home county. Most loader season's open now. So I'm just looking at a picture of this giant 10-pointer that was over here last month in this place. That's a big one. So I'm over here at the place where I shot my big doe with a bow back in September, the first time I've been here since then. In fact, my cousin was here almost a month ago and had one of the nice bucks that had been in this area. I'll show you in a minute. Like a 6-pointer. It might have been him, I'm not sure. But I believe he saw this buck come in at last light. My cousin saw the big does, but at last light he was getting ready to stand up. He was getting ready to climb down, but then the buck walked right underneath him. I'm thinking it might have been this buck right here. This dandy 6-pointer. That's a good one. That one I may let walk if he comes out. But that 10-pointer, you know 100% sure that I'm going to shoot. And then this one is, I might shoot this one too. This is a big 7. But he may not look that big. But wait until you see this picture. Look how big he is there in the body. So, I got the color red buck here hanging out. In fact, I checked the camera today. There was a nice, decent buck in here. It was hard to tell because of the sun, but it was like 10, 11 in the morning. I was here a couple hours later. I put popcorn out, sprayed the Happy Herd camera apple coat on. The rut's on. We might see that buck, and if that's the case, if it happens, look, 2 times already this year, I've seen a buck for the first time on camera in the morning. Came that day to put corn out and stuff. Found the pictures of that buck that was in there that morning. I'd never seen. So twice. And I've seen them come out that same evening. That first one was in my grandpa's old house, and that was the one I took. We recovered the next day. Same thing happened at my boss's place yesterday. Y'all saw that one. Oh my God, what a tank. Excuse me. But that was a big buck to come in there, snort wheeze and all that. I never seen that deer until I checked the camera, and he was in there that morning, yesterday morning. So if you see bucks in here that you normally don't see in daylight, you need to get here because they will be around, especially because of the does. And there are a lot of nice big does in here, so where there's does, there's gonna be bucks. So the rut's on, and my dad is hunting my grandpa's old house. My cousins are out hunting today as well, but my dad's at my grandpa's old house where we've been getting this nice buck on camera. Bigger than anything I've killed, but it'd be nice if he got him too. It'd be awesome if any one of us gets him. Let me see. Oh yeah, I might call him the Tall Braw 8, but look at this one, y'all. Now that's a good. I would probably put my last tag on him, definitely, because I'd probably regret it. But that is a nice deer. We're ready. Let's go hunt. Oh, I'm so excited. Guess what, y'all? See these words by my dad right here? guess what? I can't get him now. I'm kidding. Hey, at least one of us did. Yes. Oh man. Oh man. I don't know, y'all. That might be my dad's biggest bug. I'm so freaking pumped. Yo, that's awesome. My dad deserves that bug. I don't. The man's killed way more deer than me. But that's only his second hunt. He's only been on this year, and he just freaking got him. Dang it, I didn't get him. I'm kidding. Oh, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. Pictures to come, baby. Laying 20 yards from the stand. Yes. I texted him back and I said, my turn now. All right, y'all, we're back at the home, and look what old Pop just did. I know you guys been watching all my hunts, but my dad's been on the second hunt, and he just freaking scored on a big one. That's one we've been seeing on camera, the tall brows, and the body, he's a tank. And so, Dad, tell the story to everybody.
He's chasing two does, 12 yards. I shot him.
He didn't get the whole brief story, but he was rutting though. He was chasing hard,
Probably
man.
my biggest body deer.
That's your biggest body deer you ever killed, Dad.
I'll tell you, he's close to 175, 180 pounds.
I think he's more than that. What a buck, man.
That neck though, man, that's what got me.
Oh yeah. You saw the picture I showed you where his neck was all swelled up?
Let's get some pictures.
Let's get these pictures, boys. All right, boys, pics to come.